Welcome everyone. Today is another beautiful day and I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to mathematics solution class. Today we are going to be looking at a question that says if the determinant of 2 minus 5 3 x 1 4 0 3 2 is equal to 132, find the value of x. But before we proceed, I want to use this opportunity to beg your pardon. Please kindly help us to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you and remain blessed as you do that. Solution. We have 2 minus 5 3 x 1 4 0 3 2 is equal to 132. The determinant of that is equal to 132. All we have to do is to evaluate the determinant of what we have at the left hand side and equate it to what? 132. Now, how do we evaluate the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix? The normal way of doing this is to use what? A particular row to multiply, especially this first row. But I'm telling you today, that is not the only row that we can use to expand this matrix. We can as well use any row or any column, but as far as today is concerned, I'm going to what? Use this last row to open or to expand this matrix. But before we do that, this is what you have to be very careful of. You have to attach your sign first, your conventional sign, which is what? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And these signs must not be used along with any number except the row that you want to use for your expansion or for multiplication. If I'm using this last row to multiply, that does not mean that the value of x now is minus x. Where you only need the main signs, these signs there is the row that you want to use to expand. Thank you. Hope you understand that. Now let's continue with the solution of this. The question now is that why have I chosen this row? I have chosen this row because I have what? 0 there. Because I understand that I'm going to use the row I've picked or the row I've chosen to multiply every other thing I have. And I understand that 0 will quickly give me 0. 0 times anything is 0. It makes my work easier and more faster. So if you still expand with any other row, you will still get your answer correctly. Now let's start. 0 into, once you pick an element, cancel the row of that element and the column of that element and write the remaining element you have. So this helps you to reduce the matrix to a 2 by 2 matrix. Minus 5, 3, 1, 4. Minus 5, 3, 1, 4. Then the sign we have on top of 3 is minus. So I'm going to use minus 3 into, I will cancel the column and the row. Therefore, I have what? 2, 3, x, 4. Please do not attach that minus you are seeing on top of x to be a property of x. It is not. Then the last one I'm going to do now is by using the last element in that row that I've chosen, which is what? Plus 2. Then I will cancel the row and the column of that element. I'm left with what? 2 minus 5, x and 1. 2 minus 5, x and 1. There is no space again. I will write my equals to what? 132 under. Then I will proceed with the expansion of the 2 by 2 matrix. I have 0 in front of everything here. I don't need to bother myself expanding it. Then I just have to write 0 because anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So I have 0 minus 3 into bracket. To find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, multiply the leading diagonal minus the product of the second diagonal. So 2 times 4, 8 minus 3x. Then plus the same thing, the product of the leading diagonal, that is what? 2 times 1, 2 minus 5x, that is plus 5x. Then is equal to 132. So I have, we will use minus 3 to open this bracket. I have minus 3 times 18, that is minus 24, plus 9x, then plus, we use 2 to multiply everything inside the bracket. We have what? 4 plus 10x is equal to 132. Then let's collect the like terms. I have 9x plus 10x. Then minus 24 plus 4, that is minus 20, is equal to 132. 9x plus 10x, this is 19x, is equal to 132 plus 20. 19x is equal to 132 plus 20, that is 152. At this particular stage, you are going to divide both sides by 19. I have 152 divided by 19. X is equal to 8. The correct answer is 8. Thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, we want to use this opportunity to beg you, please kindly click the subscription button and don't forget to like, share it, and click the notification button so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks and remain blessed.